Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing okay today. So today, I know. First of all, I was thinking about this. I want to say day before yesterday or Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Maybe it was Monday. I had said that I don't really buy a lot of Crafters Companion stuff, and I really don't. Right? I have a lot in stock, but I got this in a D stash. So it's making thin card making pads. I tried to look this up to see exactly what this thing was because I just saw these little cut aparts and I was like, ooh, in her D stash. And I was like, ooh, I could just make cards with that. But I didn't know it was a whole kit, so I thought we could look at it together. I went to try to see where it was. It was sold on HSN like 2 years ago. So yeah. So it says cut across the dotted line, blah 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 blah. Has this and it says it's um four designs. But it doesn't tell you how many it makes. So the card is at the top, right? And then we have this cut apart stuff. How many? It doesn't even tell you how many sheets it is. It says it's a 250 toppers, no grams. So anyway, it's 32 pieces. I don't know. I don't know what that means, but I just thought that we could use these and make cards with them. And then they give us an envelope. You can make your envelope. So that's one, two, three. So four cards. And then we got this design. I am looking for a cheat way to get some of our cards done, y'all. And then we got this. This is tea time, right? And then the next one is this. Oh, no. Looks the same. This right here. Butterflies. Now, I know we're in fall, and I said we was going to get back to that fall stuff, but I'm going to tell y'all right now. Um, you know what I think of when I think of fall? Leaves, pumpkins, and things like that. So, I want to do something with color that's not orange. We will get back to it though. We have a lot of time. We're gonna go ahead and pull these off. And I really wanted to see. I'm going to. I want to ask you all, how do you feel about us doing organization stuff here? Like how I store stuff. Right now, I don't store it properly, but I want to, show you some of my sorting videos, things like that. I have a friend who has been attempting. She when I say attempting, she hasn't said it in like you need to do it, but she's like you should put your stuff on TikTok. She said you should like cover a lot of the platforms, and I told her I don't want to cover all the platforms, and I'll tell you why. It's work. Are these our new good scissors? I think these are new good scissors. So she says just take some scissors. She being Sarah. Um, and cut. And I watched a small couple of minutes of the presentation on HSN. It's so funny. Full circle. Um, I stopped watching HSN religiously maybe 2022 because I have run out of room to store stuff. And I'm not sure how you feel about that, but it stresses me out a lot. So these are top cards. So what I thought we could do, and I mean, she did it probably for sake of TV time, but she just took this thing and folded it over like this, y'all. It was done. I I don't know. I think we're gonna get two cards out of this. So let's get the paper trimmer real quick. So I'm just gonna cut it at 5.5. I'm assuming this is 5.5. Because she makes a lot of quote unquote cards for us in the States. So let's see. Oh, it's a little bit bigger. Oh, that's even better. I'm gonna tell you why that's better. Because there's ugly fold. So that's 5.5. 5.5. Let's go ahead and trim this down. Oh, but this is not 4.25. This is just 4. So I'm gonna cut this down a little bit more then. We won't need, well, I don't feel like we'll need, I don't feel like we'll need, a card base. I'm no, 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 no. A layer piece because this card is thick. She was not lying when she said she has been printing on some of the best cards to offer, darling. And then, she went in her spiel because we love that, right? We love hearing that kind of stuff. Like, this is the best card. This is the blah, blah, blah. This is the so. Okay, as I thought that this would be a good idea for me because I was like, yeah, I could just make X amount of cards, to help us on our way of our card making goal. I was wrong. Now, to be open, all of these things can be used on one card, right? But the more and more I look at the design of the card, let's use this one as an example, because this could be the front or the back of the card. None of these really make me want to sing a song of happiness and joy. Like, nothing about it says, use me and make me feel real special. So let's see, we can spread your wings. Let's try this one, spread your wings. And I think for me, the problem is the colors are really, 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 really too close to matching. Does that make sense? Like they're so close together that I feel like they just kind of fade in on each other. But we're gonna try. Spread your wings. Let's do that. Spread your wings. Yeah. And all right. Cause I guess I'm going for a cluster card, maybe. I don't know, y'all. This was probably not the best. One of my better, brighter ideas. I've been having a lot of those lately. I feel like I need to watch some craft videos to get inspiration. So, or just do something different, maybe. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try this one. We're gonna do butterfly kisses. Yeah. And I feel like we don't have a big focal. So let's go back to this book. Because we're going to use these things. I don't know how we're going to use them if I'm struggling right now, though. And let's see. That's the one we already have. That's tea party stuff. Not going to work. And that won't work either. And this is birthday. Okay, well, you know what? We're gonna work through it, okay? We're gonna work through it and we're gonna build up 2 cards right now. Spread your wings. Butterfly kisses. Those are the sentiments. And maybe I'm just the person that's weird and like, oh, it doesn't look good, and everybody's like, oh no, it looks great. What are you saying? So we're gonna do that. This. All right. So we're gonna pop this up. Butterfly kisses. I don't know. So, and of course, I have butterflies galore, so it's not like it's a big deal. But I was just looking for a cheaty way, and this is what happened when you cheat. Cheaters never really get anywhere, right? Cheat never got me anywhere, I should say. How about that? Yeah, this might work. It might. Okay, so I figured it out. I went back and watched the video real quick. She still didn't give me much to go on, but here we are. What I'm gonna do is just attempt to cut loose, y'all. I don't know if that's gonna really work because I'm normally not a cut looser, but let's do this. Okay, so we got this. Now, butterfly kisses. This thing right here, this thing right here, and this here. One card is done. Yes. None of this I watched from her. I just tried to see the examples. They didn't have no examples. I don't like this though. I don't like layering pretty on top of pretty. I know some of you are like, girl, just do it. Okay. And maybe this card doesn't fit this thing. It's gonna have to though. And let's see. We don't need all of that, do we? I just need one other thing. I'm thinking this. So if I do this like that, I think that's a good card. It's busy as heck, but hey. Okay, so let's move this out the way. Try our Tumbo. I think this piece is dried out. Oh no. I've been sitting it upside down so I don't have to do that much work. But see, Tumbo is usually white and this looks yellowy. So I'm assuming it's because it is oh. I've had this particular bottle of Tumbo glue since probably I got introduced to Tumbo. I never used it though. I took it out the package the other day. All right. You know, sometimes you can't get the most for your the bang for your buck if you're not prepared. Excuse the camera shake, please. If you're not prepared to get the bang for your buck. So I'm going to use all of those paper pads and we're going to get 2 cards per page. Okay, just so y'all know. That is the goal. Because I think yesterday we did, yesterday was Monday, yeah. So yesterday, I think we got 44 cards. And we could always use the back, even though the back is semi boring. We could do the back. Easy peasy. This glue is going to not go well. I have a can of water. I know. You're like, what? A can of water? Yeah. It's called unsweetened sparkling water, and it's pretty good. Pretty good. I enjoyed it. It's grapefruit flavored. It doesn't have a taste to it to me, but they're $1 a piece. So even if they were nasty, I was still gonna drink it, because I spent $1 on it. That's probably inhabited trait. I've been watching videos about how we grew up, people in my generation versus people before me, and of course the people after me, and all of us have different mindsets on what is, should not be done, can be done, things like that. All right, y'all know we serious. We pulling out the tape, okay? We pulling out this tape. I don't know how to do my phone tape, and that's okay. All right. This is what I get for messing with my desk. I have to start doing these videos before my family wakes up. Seriously. Actually, I think this is fine right here with just a big butterfly on it. But we're gonna be fancy. I guess I need to look into some of those paper pumpkin kits again, huh? I don't buy new Stampin' Up product anymore. I haven't really had a desire to buy any company stuff because I have so much things, like I haven't desired had a desire to make an order. That's what I mean by that. But people still it they destash their paper pumpkin kits all the time. In this place I go that's local, they have it's a lady that I buy stuff from. And I can just ask her if she has any paper pumpkin kits that she wants to get rid of. She might sell them to me. I've been knowing her for a while now. So yeah. I'm just gonna rub a dub. Tumbo is unforgiving, y'all. When they say they sticking, they sticking. All right, and it's sticky right here. I'm gonna have to clean it up when I get home because I have roughly 7 minutes. Look. All right, I would say thank y'all for watching. I hope that you had a great time. Today we were going for two cards, but we got one. I'm gonna just put this in a book, y'all. We're not gonna throw this away, and we're gonna keep it. And what I'm gonna do is this will be a signature page, and we'll decorate this side, and we'll put some other stuff around it. So I'm not gonna waste it. I should have paid better attention. I hope that you have a great rest of your day. And instead of 45, I think we had maybe this is 45 cards. We're still behind. We're still way behind. Anyway, I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Until next time, don't put yourself on the wrong side. Happy crafting.